You walk into a library, and before you even see a single book, you smell it. That warm, sweet, almost intoxicating scent fills your nose. And somehow, you feel calmer. But here's the strange part. That smell isn't coming from perfume or cleaning supplies. It's actually the books themselves slowly decomposing. Over 300 different chemical compounds are being released from aging paper right now, as you breathe in what is essentially organized decay. So what exactly is that smell? Why does it make us feel so nostalgic and safe? And is it the same whether you're in a 200-year-old library or a bookstore from last year? Uncover the mystery about the scent of old books right here on the Untold Origins. The story of why books smell the way they do actually begins with a breakthrough discovery in 2009, when a team of researchers at University College London, led by a chemist named Matija Strilek, decided to scientifically analyze the odor of aging books. They placed rare books in sealed chambers with special instruments and discovered something remarkable. Those books were releasing volatile organic compounds, basically invisible chemical clouds that had never been catalogued before. One book from 1881 released over 200 different scents simultaneously. Strilke's team identified specific chemicals like benzaldehyde, which smells like almond, and toluene, which has that sweet, almost woody quality. Suddenly, the book smell we all loved had a scientific name and a measurable reality. Here's how it actually works. Books are made of paper, and paper is made from plant fibers, primarily cellulose, held together with sizing and glues. Over decades and centuries, these materials break down naturally through a slow oxidation process, kind of like rusting but happening to organic material. As the wood fibers decompose, they release gases. The leather bindings of older books add another layer. They're also breaking down, releasing their own compounds. The glue used centuries ago, breaking down too. All of these decomposition processes happen simultaneously on a single shelf, creating this complex bouquet that your nose detects as a single, unified old book smell. It's genuinely thousands of tiny chemical conversations happening inside each book's spine. Here's the golden rule. The older the book, the more it is decomposed, and therefore the more volatile compounds it releases, which is why a book from 1700 will smell far richer and more complex than one from 1950. But there's a common misconception here. People often think that all old books smell good, that there's something inherently pleasant about decay. The reality is far stranger. The smell you love is actually a carefully balanced mix of compounds in very specific ratios. Change those ratios even slightly, and the smell becomes unpleasant. In fact, if a book has been stored in damp conditions or exposed to mold, the decomposition process creates very different compounds, sulfur compounds, for instance, and suddenly that cozy library smell becomes musty and repulsive. The good old book smell is only pleasant when the decomposition is happening in the right environment. Cool, dry, stable temperatures with proper air circulation. Store a book poorly, and the same chemical process that created that beloved scent produces something that smells like rot instead. Now here's an insider detail from the rare book preservation world. Museums and collectors measure something called off-gassing as a way to assess the condition of a book. Conservators use special instruments to detect the concentration of volatile compounds in the air around a book. High off-gassing means the book is actively deteriorating. It's releasing more chemicals than it should. In fact, librarians use this information to decide which books need climate-controlled storage. That vanilla-like smell you notice in rare book rooms, that's not just pleasant ambiance. It's actually a diagnostic tool. The more a book smells, the faster it's falling apart. So when you walk into a library and think this smells amazing, what you're actually experiencing is very slow, very fragrant destruction. What's remarkable is that humans evolved to find this smell comforting. That warmth, that sense of calm you feel. It's deeply connected to our memories and emotions. The scent of old books is a time capsule, literally carrying the chemical signature of decades past into your present moment. Every book is unique in what it releases, and you're breathing in the literal essence of history. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, share this video with a curious friend, and subscribe to the Untold Origins.